to carry out a patch test at home to help you identify whether the cream that you have bought is suitable for your skin. This is what you do. Dab a small amount of the product on a small area of skin where you are unlikely to accidentally wash or rub it away. The most perfect place to apply it will be inside of your elbow, and then leave the product on the skin for 24 hours. If you see any change in your skin like redness or irritation, then do not use the cream. If there is no change at all after the 24 hours, then it means that you can use the cream. Sometimes it would require that you try different creams before you find one that is right for you. I hope you find some value in this video. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please remember to hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my interesting videos. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.